You're live. Hi Vikas, welcome to Indian Wikimedia.
Hi, Indian Wikimedia, and everyone who is coming live or who's going to try coming live in the next few minutes.
How are you?
मैं ठीक हूँ यार, आप लोग कैसे हैं?
ओके तो कहाँ बिजी है आजकल विकास? बहुत बहुत फोटोज खिंचा रहे, देखा हमने।
आज तो मेरी थोड़ी तबीयत ढीली है, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट बिजी हूँ। बहुत सारी चीजें हो रही हैं। देयर आर लॉट ऑफ इवेंट्स दैट आर हैपनिंग करेंटली। लोगों के बर्थडेज हो रहे हैं, लोगों की पार्टियां हो रही हैं, बहुत सारा काम चल रहा है, शूट चल रही है। सो आई थिंक जितना बिजी मैं बिग बॉस के घर में नहीं था उससे ज्यादा बिजी आई थिंक एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आई एम इन माय लाइफ आउटसाइड द बिग बॉस हाउस।
सो आपके बहुत सारे फैंस इंतजार कर रहे थे, तो वो ऑलरेडी ऑनलाइन आ गए।
आई हैव टू अपोलोजाइज कि मैं लेट हो गया बिकॉज ट्रैफिक बहुत ज्यादा खराब है बॉम्बे का। हम निकले थे टाइम पे पर ट्रैफिक आया, दैट्स व्हाई आई वांट टू अपोलोजाइज टू यू गाइस दैट आई एम लेट, सॉरी अबाउट दैट।
Okay, so here your fan Afra is asking that what are the changes after Big Boss you have seen in your life?
चेंजेस?
Yes.
यार मुझे सड़क पे भी प्यार मिल रहा है। पहले घर के अंदर मिलता था, अब सड़कों पे प्यार मिलता है। मतलब आंटियां मम्मियां ऐसे गले लगा लेती हैं। अंकल बोलते हैं क्या बात है बेटा, बहुत अच्छी बात है। The girls are obviously have a certain amount of admiration I'm getting. It's wonderful.
Okay, so Riya Gulati is asking that hi Vikas, she's saying, and she's asking what drives you towards a good human being?
What drives me? My own personal happiness. मैं बहुत selfish हूँ। मुझे happiness मिलती है जब मैं अच्छी चीजें करता हूँ। तो I care about my happiness more importantly, and that comes from helping, of being a better person.
Okay, so Hina, a fan of yours, she's saying I've been waiting for long. Lots of love from Japan.
Hi, Hina. Thank you so much, and I hope Japanese people also give you a lot of love. Your environment is filled with love, yeah.
Okay, so Preeti Singh is saying that can you tell us more about your digital channel if you're allowed to?
My digital channel is still being worked upon. जब वो बनेगा तो मैं खुद ही announce करूँगा. It's called Lost Boy TV.
Okay, so Afra is asking can we expect Bad Company 2 season 2?
Yes, Bad Company season 2 is one of the first projects that I'm starting now. तो वो बहुत जल्द आपको पता चलेगा। हमारी स्टाइलिस्ट यहीं बैठी है। शी इज सपोज्ड टू वर्क ऑन माय लुक फॉर बैड कंपनी सीजन 2, सो लेट्स होप शी डज अ जॉब क्विकर एंड फास्टर। काम सबके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट होता है, मैं तो बेचारा बैठ के वहां पर बस सवाल जवाब कर रहा हूँ।
ओके, सो बैसाखी चैटर्जी शी इज सेइंग हाउ आर यू विकास, एंड कोलकाता कब आओगे? और आप ये बताइए कि बीसीएल में क्या आप कोलकाता बाबू मोशाई की टीम में खेल रहे हो कि नहीं?
हाय बैसाखी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कोलकाता मेरे आने का प्लान हो रहा है। आई थिंक कोई इवेंट है जिसके लिए मुझे बोल रहे हैं, तो आई थिंक आई विल बी इन कोलकाता सूनर देन even I expected. As for Babu Moshais in BCL, I am definitely very excited about the team. I am not playing BCL, but मैं ऑब्वियसली, मेरी बहन निवेदिता की टीम है, निवेदिता वासु की, तो ऑब्वियसली मैं चीयर कर रहा हूँ उनको। मैं चाहूंगा कि वो बहुत अच्छा खेले। और ऑब्वियसली आई एम ऑल्सो चीयरिंग अनीता नंदानी's team, which is Chandigarh Cubs. They are my friends. So there are 2-3 teams I obviously will look up to. I am very very excited to see कि कौन जीतेगा इस बार BCL on MTV.
Okay, so Abhilasha Dwivedi, she is asking that best compliment that you have received after your stint in Big Boss.
I think वो मैंने retweet किया था। वो था जब there's a man whose young wife got pregnant.
Yeah.
And the mother-in-law said she really loved me on the show. Said Vikas Gupta आएगा. So I think that's one of the best compliments I've gotten so far.
Okay, so Sanam is asking what's the coolest thing you have ever done?
Coolest thing I've ever done. यार बड़ी सारी चीजें करनी है। वो कूल है और हॉट है, वो डिपेंड करता है दूसरे के टेम्परेचर पे, सो आई कांट टेल यू। बट यस, वन ऑफ द कूलेस्ट थिंग्स वी ऑल डिड वाज व्हेन वी डिड द अंतरिक्ष वाला टास्क एंड वी मेड हितेन भैया गो एंड स्टील एप्पल पाई फॉर अस। आई थिंक दैट वाज वेरी कूल।
Okay, so Himani is asking that what kind of partner you'd look in real life?
Partner who has a mind of her own mind, very importantly, and someone who would understand, and I would understand. I should be madly in love with her. I don't care about if I am in love, then बाकी मैं सब handle कर लूँगा.
Okay, so there's a compliment for you. So Tinku, he's saying that Vikas, you remind me the angry young man like Mr. Bachchan. Same height, same romantic way and comic sense. Please be on screen. You don't know we miss you a lot.
Thank you so much, Tinku. मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कुछ चीजें करने की on screen. I hopefully they will materialize in the right way, because आपको समझना पड़ेगा, I enjoy writing and direction, so I can't go full-fledged acting. I cannot be doing a daily soap, but yes, there are things that I'm doing because I will not let this connection go away. I like it. the love, the support. I love it. So I will do it even if I don't want to do it, so that I can continue to be in touch with you guys.
Okay, so Megha Sharma is asking, what do you think when you are alone in the car?
What do I think when I'm alone in the car? I am thinking about work. Yeah, I'm thinking about किस किस से मैंने बात नहीं कर पाई है, कौन लोग हैं, किनको मैं reciprocate सही time पे करूँ, काम में next क्या करना है. So I try to, whatever I forget, remind myself in the car and try fulfilling and finishing it when I'm driving.
Okay, so Neha Singh Rajput, she's asking, what makes you call yourself lost boy?
Because मैं खोया हुआ हूँ. ये बहुत भीड़ होती है दुनिया में, और कितनों के भी साथ हो गए ना, हर कोई lost है, हर कोई ढूंढ रहा है अपने आप को. And I feel that's one of the reasons why I call myself lost boy, because I might be with a lot of people, but there is somewhere I'm lost, and I think that's a good lost. It's important to be lost like that.
Okay, so a fan, Ria, is asking that if a biopic was made on you, what would you call it?
Let me do more work. Let me have my body work even better. Let me create way better things, and then there should be a conversation of biopic on me. But once it is, then I will decide at that point of time what it should be called.
Okay, so Sanam is asking that where do you see yourself after 10 years?
I don't see myself anywhere after 10 years. I only think 2 years. 2 साल से आगे मैं सोचता ही नहीं हूँ लाइफ में कभी भी.
Okay. What's your biggest dream in your life, and is it fulfilled yet? Komal Dubey is asking you.
Hi Komal, you and my sister share the same name. What is one of the biggest dreams that I have? ये मेरे सपने ना छोटे होते हैं और वो पूरे होते रहते हैं, तो एक नहीं होता. Every time I think of something new and something exciting happens, and so whether there was a time when I thought कि तीनों young channels में मेरे shows number 1 हो, और तीनों हो गए थे. गुमराह, ये है आशिकी, वेब डियारियां, सब कुछ जो था, तो वो एक सपना था, वो पूरा हुआ. मेरे को MTV हेड करना था. I was the youngest to head MTV in the world. I did that. Then I moved on to doing something else. There was a time जहाँ पर 2 साल पहले थोड़े से इश्यूज थे मेरी लाइफ के, तो उस समय मेरे को सपोर्ट करने वाले नहीं थे यहाँ पर इंस्टा पे या ट्विटर पे. तो मैंने सोचा था कि one day I hope I have people who will love me and support me as much as they support other people. And today we are in a situation where there are people doing that. So dreams और सपने ना छोटे-छोटे भी रखोगे ना, and they keep getting fulfilled, it becomes happiness. So think of new dreams now. So अभी कुछ नया होगा तो I will tell you 100%.
Okay, so Darpana is asking that she has 3 questions.
Okay.
Okay. The first is, as we all know that you are a super intelligent person, so what was your best or worst subject in school, and if you weren't a producer?
My best subject in school was English and history, and my worst subject was maths, because मैंने double promotion लिया था, which is from 7th to 9th standard. मैंने 8th पढ़ाई नहीं करी. Mom, dad, teachers, principals were whatever. They decided to make me double jump a class. So मेरी maths बिल्कुल फटाक हो गई. Second, that was a question. I don't know what the third question was.
No, she was asking that अगर producer नहीं होते तो कौन से subjects best और worst होते?
उससे क्या फर्क
हाँ,
पड़ता है? Producer से क्या लेना देना? I तो wanted to be a lawyer at one point of time. Then I wanted to be a writer at one point of time. पढ़ाई नहीं कर पाया मैं. So when I couldn't go to college, the only industry that could take me was this industry, and I decided to work here.
Okay, so Angel is asking that do you have any Bollywood plans?
I have plans with Bollywood, yes, to direct.
Okay. Me and my sister are missing Gucci Poo. Khan Zoya.
Hi Zoya Khan, and अपनी बहन को भी बहुत सारा प्यार दीजिए. I can't say I am also missing Gujibu because I'm right here, but I hope to do good stuff soon so that you guys are all.
Okay, so Anki is asking, who's your biggest inspiration in your life?
My biggest inspiration in my life, I don't have biggest inspiration. I get inspired from small things, from people across. हर एक इंसान से मैं कुछ सीख लेता हूँ और मैं चोरी कर लेता हूँ. Very clearly, कुछ अच्छा मिलता है, I take it. I learn from everyone. I've learned from even an Akash Taklu. I have learned from Shilpa ji. I have learned so much from a lot of people who are not friendly with me, love me or not love me, doesn't matter. If I see something important, something nice from people, I don't care who they are. I just take it from them. It's so easy to learn good things from people.
Okay. So Komal is asking, what's your dream project?
वो ना वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ, लाइफ में मेरा कोई एक अल्टीमेटम नहीं होता है. I don't have one thing that I will do. This is my dream project. This is my big aspiration. No, no. I have smaller. I find happiness in the ordinary. I find happiness in small things. I do not believe in this one ultimation. There is no one Eden garden anywhere for me. It is just that small things make me happy. I like achieving them. Maybe those small things might be the biggest thing for one person, but for me, मेरे लिए बहुत जरूरी है बहुत सारी चीजें होनी.
Okay, so Kritika is saying that we have been inspired by your journey tremendously. You are a gem of a person. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kritika. I really appreciate those words. They're important. They have.
Okay, so Team Vikas Gupta is asking that how much do you miss Big Boss?
I don't miss Big Boss. I don't miss Big Boss at all. I'm still in Big Boss. I will start missing it when I will get out of it. अभी तक नहीं निकला. Autopilot में चल रहा हूँ मैं इस वक्त. I still think sometimes that वो चीजें अभी गई नहीं है. I know खत्म हो गए, but अभी नहीं. It's not gone down on me as yet.
So Jyoti is asking that what was the most emotional moment in Big Boss?
You all know what was the most emotional moment. When my mom came, जब मेरी mom आई थी, I think that was very emotional for me because 2 महीने का बहुत torture था. कोई प्यार करने वाला था नहीं, मिला नहीं उस हिसाब से. And when I saw my mother, I think that was very emotional.
Okay, so we'll play a fun game with you.
Oh,
I'll tell you the English translations of the Hindi songs and you have to guess these Hindi songs. ठीक है? Your fans can also help you. तो अगर उन्होंने help किया तो आप जीत गए. इसका मतलब, ठीक है? So the first one is first intoxication, first hangover. My love is new, so is the wait. What have I done?
मेरा प्यार है नया, मेरा इंतजार भी नया.
First intoxication, first hangover.
पहला नशा, पहला प्यार. पहला नशा, पहला खुमार.
Perfect.
Yeah.
चलो अभी help नहीं करेगा कोई.
कोई help नहीं कर सकता. By the way.
Okay, the other one is it poison or love? Your kiss. What a hangover it is. Your love.
ये प्यार है तेरा चुम्मा. Yeah, another one.
Okay, the other one is you
There was
came.
Mamta Kulkarni, no? I think so, yeah. I had a huge crush on Mamta Kulkarni when I was a really young girl.
Okay, who's your crush now?
I can't tell you the name because I know the person
Okay.
and she knows me.
Okay, the third one is you came near and smiled like this. You made me
तुम
dream.
पास आए, यूं मुस्कुराए. 49 times I've seen कुछ कुछ होता है.
Oh, 50 century.
I would not watch it again because I don't want to watch it the 50th time. It not because I just think it'll be anything, but I love that.
Okay. The other one is my heart is each and every time desperate to hear it. Say no, you love me. Keep saying it.
मेरा दिल कह रहा है. क्या था वो?
लिरिक्स अच्छे से गानी पड़ेगी आपको.
कहो ना प्यार है.
Perfect. So the other one is dreams and eyes, beloved in dreams. Heart has chosen beloved. Why has heart chosen beloved?
दिल ने चुन लिया है.
अगर आपके फैन ने हेल्प किया तो मैं बता दूंगी. अभी तक तो किसी ने नहीं किया. Dreams and eyes. दिल. No. Dreams and eyes, beloved in dreams. Heart has chosen.
आँखों में सपना सपना. आँखों वो है क्या?
नहीं.
आँखों में
रिया ने भी गाया लेकिन गलत है.
आँखों ने सपने लिए.
ओके, आपके एक फैन ने हेल्प किया है, उसका नाम योलो है. YOLO, ठीक है? It's नैनो में सपना.
अरे जीतू अंकल का गाना है यार. Thank you YOLO, you helped me. Sorry uncle.
Okay, the other one is what happened to your promise, that vow, that belief. The day my heart forgets you will be the last day of my life.
What happened to?
What happened to your promise?
क्या हुआ तेरा वादा?
You should sing one line for your fans.
वो कसम वो इरादा.
Okay, the last one is oh this night, this season, along the riverbank, this playful wind.
ये रातें ये मौसम नदी का किनारा मुझे नहीं आता गे.
सही है, गाना सही है. सब आपने राइट किया. आपके लिए राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज.
इंडियन विकीमीडिया मुझे कॉफी पिला रहा है क्योंकि मेरा गला खराब है.
ओके, और भी बहुत सारे सवाल है, चलो हम देख लेते हैं. Vikas, you're looking very handsome today. Anika.
Thank you. All thanks to my stylist. Her name is Chandni. And also the clothes come from people who give it to us to wear. तो मुझे खर्च नहीं करने पड़ते इतने पैसे.
Okay, so Sunita is asking your favorite Hollywood series.
My favorite Hollywood series are a lot. Like I said, I have to tell you, मेरा कुछ favorite नहीं होता. मुझे चीजें अच्छी लगती हैं. तो a lot of series I like to watch. A lot of them. So there's not one.
So Anshu is saying that you are a great singer. Can you sing one line for us?
I am not a great singer though. और मेरा गला बहुत ही खराब हो रखा है. But I'll sing a song. मैं यहाँ तू कहाँ जाने तू है कहाँ नींद आती नहीं जान जाती नहीं नींद आती नहीं रात जाती नहीं बिन तेरे अब जिया जाए ना. अमिताभ बच्चन ने हमें फॉलो किया है, चाहे वो हैक में किया हो, चाहे वो गलती से किया हो, चाहे सच्ची में किया हो. It's a huge thing. If Amit uncle follows you, that means you have achieved something in life, right? So has Shilpa ji and Hina's fan club also achieved something in life. We all have achieved something in life. We are very, very lucky. Thank you very much. We have achieved.
So Preeti Singh is saying that you stay online or offline. Our love for you will be the same. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Preeti.
So Purnima wants to know your favorite place in the world.
My favorite place in the world is the bed where my mother is lying down and I am hugging her and sleeping. That's my favorite place in the world. That really is one favorite place which you can say. Yeah.
Okay, so Poonam Rawat has a question. She's asking why do you think that you're not good looking?
Have you met my brother Siddharth Gupta? Have you met my friends like Karan Kundra? And my other friends, Priyank, there was Parth, there has been so many of the people I have always hung out with. Such good looking people, yeah. So क्या होता है कि जब आप इन सब के साथ hang out करते हो और आप खुद कभी जिम की शक्ल नहीं देखते हो तो आपको लगता है कि आप इतने good looking नहीं. So I've always been with people who have been extremely good looking people and somehow they've been actors. So ऐसा लगता है आपको कि उनके मुकाबले आप शेप में नहीं होते हो, चीजें नहीं होती हैं. तो that's why I feel that I'm not as good looking as them because they work very hard to look good also. And you have to give it to them because they work hard. Yeah.
Oh, so Minnie is asking that did you start gymming outside the house?
No, I didn't. पर मैंने बोला है किसी से कि मैं मंडे से शुरू करने वाला हूँ. 100%.
कौन सा मंडे वो नहीं पता.
Yeah, नहीं मैं इस मंडे से शुरू करूँगा because there's some shoots and all. Yeah.
Okay, so Sakshi wants to know what's your next project because we are eagerly waiting to see you.
Next projects may say there is obviously Bad Company that I'm going to be starting work on, and then there is a project that almost is getting written now with it's a web series. So there are other things happening. अभी तक कुछ हुआ नहीं है. Formalized जैसे होगा ना, we will 100% announce it.
Okay, so Bhavika is saying that your positivity has cheered us up after Big Boss result. Thank you so much.
You know, the positivity has cheered me up also. Now, like a lot of people were disappointed that I didn't win. I think I won, yeah. Who says I have not won? Winning is not about just getting that trophy, honestly. And I really think Shilpa ji also deserved that trophy. That's why she got it. Hina deserved what she got also from the show. And I got what exactly I deserved. So I think it's beautiful that we all are happy in our space, really.
Okay, there's a song for you. One fan has sung. मुस्कुराने की वजह तुम हो. उनके तरफ से मैंने गा दिया आपके लिए.
Thank you. फैन का नाम तो बताओ. मैं
हाँ, एक सेकंड वो थोड़ा ऊपर चला गया. मैं वापस नाम लाती हूँ उसका. अंजू, तब तक आप अंजू का सवाल जवाब कर दे दो. She's asking that do you miss Big Boss का आवाज?
Absolutely, I miss Big Boss का आवाज. I miss सलमान सर के घर का खाना. Two things I really miss a lot. भूखड़ हूँ मैं, बहुत खाता हूँ.
अभी इतने सवाल है कि मेरा क्वेश्चन चला गया ऊपर.
कुछ सब अच्छे क्वेश्चन पूछ रही हो तुम. I mean, I'm sure कुछ लोगों ने कुछ ऐसे क्वेश्चंस भी पूछे होंगे. मैं जवाब देना चाहूंगा. मैंने कहा है ना, whenever you'll ask me a question, I will always answer with the best way I can.
There's no such question that I'm not asking.
Okay. But please do ask anything that they ask. I would love to answer to them.
So Namrata is asking that what's the current song that is playing in your playlist?
Hey Bhagwan, you'll hate it, but Ghumar. I am listening to Ghumar. It's on my playlist. सुबह उठ के घूमर बज रहा होता है. It just has this energy यार. It just has this energy and I saw Padmavati. मतलब राजपूतों का जो bravery है, it's just so inspiring और इतना अच्छा किया. I don't know why they were against it. इतना beautifully portrayal of a community. It's amazing यार.
So Monica is asking that favorite moment from the Big Boss house with Shilpa Shinde.
Favorite moment with Shilpa ji was a lot of moments have been there, not just one, but I think the time when we talked. I think जब कोई और नहीं होता था, ना मुझे भड़काने के लिए, ना उनको भड़काने के लिए, ना बीच में बोलने के लिए, जब भी हम बात करते थे, अच्छी बातें करते थे. Good stuff.
Okay, so Rishu, he's asking that we did a message for Vikas activity on Twitter. What was your reaction?
Overwhelming. I think सब लोगों ने लिखा इतना प्यारा था, इतनी अच्छी अच्छी बातें लिखी थी. I am sorry अगर मैंने किसी का मैसेज मिस कर दिया है लाइक करना, क्योंकि वो एक दिन नहीं था, वो लगातार अभी तक आ रहे हैं. तो जब भी मुझे मौका मिलता है, जब भी मैं देख पाता हूँ, मैं उससे लाइक करता हूँ या रिप्लाई कर पाता हूँ. But I am really overwhelmed. I really think it's beautiful, those messages that you have sent me, and I wish I can send you a lot of love and positivity back to your life.
So Priyanka is asking that who's the first guest on your show?
Yeah, we say guest list दे दूँगा. That also depends on their dates actually. So and the ऐसा जरूरी नहीं जिसके साथ हम पहले शूट करेंगे वही first episode पहले बाहर आएगा. So you would not know actually.
So your fans, 2-3 fans have said, Rishu is also one of them. He's saying that please don't be sorry, you are the best.
अरे बताऊँ, जब आप मेरा ना रूल बन गया है अभी एक, वो रूल ये है कि जो आपको अपना हो ना, उसको सॉरी थैंक यू बोलने में झिझकना बिल्कुल नहीं चाहिए. बिकॉज बाहर वालों का हर कोई हम लोग इतना देते हैं इम्पोर्टेंस, थैंक यू, सॉरी सॉरी थैंक यू. दे डोंट मीन एनीथिंग रियली. Who really is important are the people you love, people who care about you and love you. So I'm sorry if I did anything mistake, because I will say sorry and I will say thank you every single time to people who love me and who I love.
Okay, so Suhani has a question for you. She's asking that have you ever thought that you will get so much love from doing Big Boss?
No. मैंने बिग बॉस इसलिए किया था वेरी क्लियरली बिकॉज मुझे बताना था लोगों को कि द काइंड ऑफ पर्सन आई एम. 2 years बैक जो भी इंसिडेंट हुआ था वो सब क्लियर हो गया, लीगली सॉर्ट आउट हो गया, समझ में आ गया कि आई वाज़न्ट एट फॉल्ट. बट लोगों को पता नहीं था व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग आई वाज. इट वाज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी टू लेट पीपल नो हु आई वाज, एंड आई थिंक आई सक्सीडेड इन दैट समवॉट. नॉट एवरी, हम हर किसी को खुश नहीं कर सकते, ना कर पाएंगे. सो इतनी अपेक्षा रखनी नहीं चाहिए. वी शुड बी थिंकिंग सो मच, बट I did manage to whatever the best I could. Yeah.
Okay, so Heer is saying that you're looking very handsome.
Heer.
And jacket is very nice.
Thank you. जैकेट के लिए चांदनी को क्रेडिट देते हैं, लेकिन हीर मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा आपका नाम मुझे बहुत बहुत पसंद है.
She'll be very happy today. So Arshia, she wants to know, do you know the person you have a crush on currently?
Yes, I do, but I'm not telling you.
Okay, so Palak Kapoor wants to know how has your friendship been with Arshi outside the house?
जैसे अंदर थी, लड़ाई झगड़ा फिर ओके, लड़ाई झगड़ा फिर ओके.
Okay, so Gayatri is saying the way you talk, the way you sing, I love the way, and I love the happy dance. So can you please do it?
नहीं, I can't do the happy dance now because I do happy dance when I'm really happy, and I am happy right now, but not really happy. वरना happy dance की वैल्यू चली जाएगी. वो मजा तभी आता है जब अंदर से निकल के आए. कोई बोले और तुम वो चीज करो, उसमें हैप्पी डांस में मजा नहीं आता. जब अपने आप मन करेगा ना, तो रिकॉर्ड कर दूंगा, लेकिन I'll put it live, okay?
Yeah. So Ali wants to know, will you do a movie with Salman Khan?
I don't think I'm getting a movie with Salman Khan, but if I get a chance to direct him or write for him, I would love to do that.
So Preeti is saying that you left no stone unturned to entertain us 3 months, learnt a lot from you, and we are sorry because हमने थोड़ी कमी रख दी.
आपने कमी नहीं रखी, आप लोगों ने पूरी जान लगा दी थी मुझे ताने के लिए. I understand, but sometimes there are reasons why some people don't win or win. It's not important. Like I said, first, second, third position नहीं आई है मेरी, first position नहीं आई है, पर जीता हूँ मैं. I am telling this to you. We have won. We really have.
So Marufa Qureshi is asking that your Twitter, Insta and other accounts are handled by you only. How do you manage all this because of your busy schedule? And it's really very sweet of you.
ट्विटर, इंस्टा एंड फेसबुक पे मैं बहुत कम हो गया हूँ, कभी इंस्टा पे कम हो जाता हूँ। मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि मैं कुछ वक्त निकालूं, पर पता हूँ जब प्यार मिल रहा होता है ना तो वक्त अपने आप निकलता है। वो बेवकूफ होते हैं जो कि वक्त नहीं निकाल सकते जहां से आपको प्यार मिले। आई थिंक दैट्स स्टूपिडिटी फॉर पीपल हु आर नॉट एबल टू टेक टाइम आउट फॉर पीपल हु लव देम। आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू दैट।
Okay, so he is saying, oh, thank you so much, Vikasji. It's a big compliment for me. Thank you so much. Love you. Neha is asking, how has been your friendship with Jyoti?
ज्योति तो यार बहुत स्वीट है वो, और मैं क्या बोलूँ, उसकी मेरी फ्रेंडशिप से ज्यादा बताऊँ क्या है, देयर इज जस्ट अ बॉन्ड, इट्स अ बॉन्ड व्हिच इज ब्यूटीफुल। अभी होपफुली शी इज गोना कम डाउन टू बॉम्बे soon and she's going to join some classes and a lot of things are happening. I want to see what your feedback will be after 6 months for Jyoti. That will be a win अगर कुछ अच्छा निकल के आएगा।
Okay, so Trupti is saying that will you participate in Khatron Ke Khiladi 9?
पता नहीं, no idea.
Okay, so we'll have a final message for all your fans who've been here to speak with you, to chat with you.
Okay, first of all, बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिनके नाम नहीं लिए गए अभी। हाँ, बहुत, बिकॉज मैं स्क्रीन देख नहीं पा रहा हूँ, स्क्रीन केवल हमारी रिपोर्टर साहिबा देख रही हैं और वो हमें बता सकती हैं, तो जो वो नाम ले रही है वही मैं नाम ले पा रहा हूँ। तो प्लीज डू नॉट फील डिसहार्टेंड और थिंकिंग दैट योर क्वेश्चंस हैव नॉट कम। वी वुड हैव लव्ड टू आंसर ऑल द क्वेश्चन, बट इतने सारे रहे होंगे कि वो लोग नहीं मुझे बता पाए। सो लेट मी टेल यू दिस, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू हु केम, ऑल ऑफ यू, ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ यू। I really appreciate this and the love and the support you guys give. I think it's tremendous. Keep loving, keep supporting, and I promise you that I'm going to do every single bit that I can to be the person who you should be loving and supporting. मेरे में गलतियां बहुत हैं, by the way, पहले बोल देता हूँ, I do make mistakes. Hopefully I'll try not those mistakes to come in front of you ever. But I am trying to become better. Thank you guys.
Okay. So last question we'll take. Sudha is saying that even though you have not won the trophy, you have won a lot of hearts, and don't be sorry. Thank you so much.
तो तुम स्टेटमेंट मार रहे हो, क्वेश्चन क्या है? थैंक
नहीं, वही बोला उसने।
थैंक यू, आई अप्रिशिएट दैट।
चलो, थैंक यू सो मच विकास, थैंक यू सो मच, एंड सॉरी इफ आई हैव नॉट taken a lot of questions. Sorry. चलो, बाय
बाय, सी यू
बाय।